In front of me is iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select Touch ID and passcode, and here click on Add a Fingerprint. So now you have to place your fingerprint on the sensor. Let me just take off the glove and let me do it this way. So just keep tapping until your fingerprint is fully added. And just adjust your grip, tap on continue and place your finger another few times. And as you can see, it has been completed. So now you just have to enter some passcode, which will be also used as the backup for it. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap on use anyway, then re-enter it to confirm. And let me cancel it. And just wait a couple of seconds until it is done. And that's it. From now on, you will be able to unlock your device either with this backup pattern, so it was from 1 to 6, or with your fingerprint. So let me just take off the glove again, then just tap the sensor. And that's it. This is how you can smoothly unlock it. So this is it. This is how you can set up a fingerprint. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.